An extreme blizzard is expected to hit the US Northeast in the next couple of hours. More than 30 inches of snow could soon cover all New York City. Schools will be closed Tuesday, order of Mayor Bill de Blasio. On Twitter, the topic was this Monday one of the most popular through the hashtags Blizzard of 2015, Snowmageddon 2015, or simply New York Storm. Messages of support, of empathy, but also, because Twitter remains Twitter, a lot of classic memes and photoshopped pictures. The Twitter community seems definitely ready to face this historic winter storm. Let's hope that the city will be as well. And if you're stuck at home with power in the next few days, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll see it's very easy. You're just one click away.